Hey there, this video will discuss a few important tips regarding the assembly of our Heritage Archival storage boxes. Here we'll be walking through the assembly of the clamshell style, but similar processes will apply to other variants in our catalog. First, we'd like to highlight the importance of pre-folding each crease line. This will make later assembly easier and help retain the shape of the box. Be sure to fold past 90 degrees to ensure crisp edges. Now that we've reached our first double fold crease, note that both lines must be folded so the walls are parallel to each other in order to effectively shape the lid. It's not enough to just fold once, you have to fold twice. Notice how now we have a nice, smooth lid edge. Now we'll go to the other side and continue the pre-folding process. Now that we've gotten to the next double fold crease, make sure to go in, fold all the way over, press down along the lid edge in order to get that double fold, and you'll notice that it'll slot right in. Now it's time for assembly. Pop those tabs into place, fold the tabs over, and repeat. Now that everything is locked into place, we can do one last fold, and there you go, your Heritage Archival clamshell box ready to use.